Builderall as a company is a home for the determined people, the fighters, the ones who don't give up so easily. Founded in 2007, our CEO, Eric Salgado, was a champion karate kickboxer who started the first online directory in Brazil at about the same time that Google got started. Rather than go the approach of Google and take over our entire civilization, Salgado decided he would create a platform that would empower and improve the status of everyone who was able to believe in it, use it, and see its vision. Its vision is simply to provide all the tools necessary for people to be successful.